Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mark, and today, bit of an unusual one. I purchased a Radica Mega Drive plug and play TV device, which is this, off eBay, $12.99, listed as working, ironically. Plugged it in a few minutes ago, don't work. Now normally I would have sent it back, but as I'm now trying to fix things, I'm going to try and fix this. So basically what it is, put the batteries in and there is no power. So when I press the power button, that light there should come on. And just displaying wobbly cam, no signal. So what I'm going to do is the easiest thing first. I had a look at the terminals just before I started filming, and there looks to be a bit of corrosion on the terminals. So the easiest thing I'm going to do first is try and give these terminals a clean. It's not going to be the most exciting video if this is the problem. If not, we'll strip it down, we'll have a look. So without further ado, we shall get some earbuds, cotton buds, sorry, not allowed to put my ears here. Got a little bit of white vinegar to clean the terminals. So like I said, a little bit, this will keep me going a while. So we'll have a dip. I should have maybe got a little container for this, shall I? And we shall have a little clean of these terminals. So we'll give them a rub. Vinegar. Nice. Yeah, some muck coming off on that. You can see that here. It's a bit green. Whew. Smells of vinegar, obviously. So this might not be the most exciting if this fixes it, but I'll take it. Easy job, but we'll see. I did test this off camera beforehand with the voltage meter, and there was nothing getting output, which makes me think it is these terminals. Maybe I should have showed you that, shouldn't I? Well, live and learn. So smells like fish and chips without the fish and chips. Oh yeah, this one's manky. Get it under the light. Oh yeah, some green there. Let me get my tweezers, see if I can scrape some of this off. Yeah, probably this terminal here is the worst. Yeah, there's a bit on the other one next to it as well, I can see. Okay, let's scrape the worst of it off. Give it a clean. Bit of muck come out of it. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's looking better. One next to it. Bit of rust on this one. like I say, I'm totally new to this, so, and I'm starting to build up all my equipment. So at the moment, I've just like got the basics. But I have made my first biggish purchase, which will be coming, which I'll do a deboxing exercise on for you. But there's so much equipment I've put on my wish list on Amazon that's linked in my profile that I need, really. But you know, can't afford it all at once. Obviously, obviously one of the things is filming equipment, because at the moment I'm just using my iPhone, which isn't the best. But one of the main items that I want is the microscope, which actually has an inbuilt camera for recording, which will be brilliant when I'm doing like work like this, because at the moment I'm just using this magnifying glass, which is alright for stuff like this because it's ×10 magnification, but looking at some of the components, so small. You need like proper kit. I have got a whole host of broken things that I'm looking at fixing. Ironically, one of the things I'm going to do, whether it's the next video or not, I don't know, is the battery case for this is missing. So I'm actually thinking that I can make my own battery case, so for this, and with a screw and stuff. So I'm actually going to film that and have a go, which should be quite amusing because, like I say, I'm hopeless at things like this. But I'll give it a go. You know, all kind of interesting content. Nice. Yeah. That's looking miles better. Yeah, these are looking a lot better now. Just that end one I want to have another go at. A bit of corrosion on that one. Yeah, it is, yeah. Oh yeah, there's bits coming off that one. Okay, let's look at that one again. Give that one, that's the worst one, this one here. Nearly done. Okay. Right, okay. What I'll do, she'll give that a clean now with IPA. That's not the beer, 99% pure. And I have some in my little spray box, bottle even. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's lovely and drenched. Give that a wipe off. The terminals a wipe. Make sure we get all that vinegar off. Oh, bit of kitchen roll. Let's give it a wipe. So yeah, IPA is really good for like cleaning electrical stuff, 99%. Yeah, if you spill water on anything, get it doused in IPA. Give it a clean. Okay. Yeah, it's dry enough. I think it'll be dry. Dries pretty quick, especially under heat. Okay, right. Batteries. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Right, before we turn it on, let's see if we've got some voltage with the red boxy thing. So put that on there, that on negative. Okay, that's 5.6 volts. So that's right, 4 batteries, 1.5 each. That's coming out at 6.11. Can't really show you on it. But yeah, so we have power. So let's turn her over and see if the red light comes on. Ooh! Oh yeah! Cool! What should we have a look at? Sonic. Start. Sega. Sonic a mile. Don't think I've ever played Sonic in my life. Oh yeah. One player, start. Oh yeah. I think we can successfully say that is a fix. Alright, okay. Okay, so yeah, we can safely say that works. Shut up. Nonky game. Right, so that is effectively my second fix. So that's Mark II, Chaos nil. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. We'll call that a win.